All right, in this video, we're going to talk about how to download JavaFX on your computer. So I'll be doing this on a Windows machine, but it should be pretty much the same if you are on some other operating system. So first thing you want to do is open up a web browser and go here to gluonhq.com/products/JavaFX. And what you want to do is download JavaFX 11. Don't download another later version of it. I won't accept it. So you'll have to fix that before you're able to turn it in if you've done that. Then what you want to do is just choose whichever version that you need for whichever operating system you're on. You just need the SDK is what you need. All right, I'm on a Windows machine, so I'll download this one, and then just download that. And then check your downloads folder. All right, there'll be a zip file in there, and then what you want to do is just extract that file. And you can extract it to anywhere basically, but the main thing is you just need to remember where you extracted it to. So on mine, I just extracted it to, I didn't want to extract it to there, but whatever. So wherever you extract it to, you'll get this folder. All right, so you just need to know where that folder is located. Like I said, you can put it anywhere, but I put mine under sort of the top level directory here. So that's where mine is located. So you just have to remember where that's at. Okay. All right, and then just remember where that's at. Then you want to go into jGRASP and then go to settings, then compiler settings, and then workspace. And this will open up this settings for workspace dialog box, and you want to choose this JavaFX tab right here. And then click on browse, right, and then you'll browse to where that's located. So there's the directory where mine's located, and click choose. Okay, I'm going to click cancel because I already have it installed. And then under this JavaFX modules, then you want JavaFX.controls, and then JavaFX.fxml, like this, in this dialog box. Then click apply, and then click OK. All right, and so then once you have that installed, you should be good to go.